Hi guys! On the previous video, we were hacking literally Blox Fruit. Now, we will try other games. Alright, I've tried a lot of games. Forsaken, I can't even play that because this account is literally new. If you're wondering why I'm playing Brookhaven, it's for testing of my hacks. And also shout out to Riani underscore D2, or if he changed his username, yeah. Yeah. So he's also gonna be videoing, and for you guys, we are gonna play something that he wants. Okay guys, he's now officially videoing, and he will be joining me on Slap Tower 4. You wanna play Slap Tower 4? Alright. And just for a reminder, he's also using Delta. Alright, do this. Alright, he's now here. Riani D2. Alright guys, he's now here. His name is Delta User Finding Key 2. I made that account for him, and I'm also gonna change that name since everyone's gonna think he's a Delta user and they will report her or him. I mean him, yeah, him. Bro, where even are you? Bro, at least move! Move! Bro, just move. Okay. He's moving, guys, he's moving.
How can I fly?
Oh, you want to fly? Hold on, let me just do this. Hold on. Just wait for a little. Oh my god, it's lagging. The phone is so old. There you go. You now can fly. Wait, you still. Oh, there you go. You can now fly. Bro, where are you going? Where are you going? Bro,
We're going?
bro. Yeah, where are you going? You going to the end?
Yeah. We're
Oh,
going to the end.
I'll slap you.
No.
Yes,
No.
I got the badge. Let's go back and troll. And also, guys, we will also be playing other games.
Let's
Right?
trolling.
Yeah, let's troll people
Oh.
and also slap other people.
Yeah.
Bro,
Oh. I'm a good person. I'm a good person. I'm not trolling.
he troll. Slap him.
Bro.
Slap the King Nimong
Where?
over the troll part.
Where?
Down here.
Where? Down?
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
And also this bacon that is here.
Okay. Oh, I found it. Hello.
Come
I am
on
not
here.
a admin. I am not a admin.
Yeah.
How can you
She
fly?
ain't.
I am not admin. I am using the
Yeah, bro.
bro.
Help me!
Bro,
This
where?
guy is trolling.
Where, bro?
King Nimong.
Stroller?
Yeah, King
This
Nimong.
stroller? Where?
Yeah, he's troller.
Wait.
But we still troll, okay?
Wait.
Over
Where?
here, over here. Follow
Where?
me. Follow.
Where?
Follow.
Okay.
Where is he? Where is King ni Mom?
I think he's left.
Yeah.
I think he's left.
Wanna play 99 Nights?
Yeah.
Okay, join me.
Okay. See you. See you ba? Ganun ba?
Hi guys, we're now playing 99 Nights, and I'm not using the flight that I used. Bro, hurry! Alright guys, here's my other friend, official Kurt, but I'm Kurt, he just stole my name. And three. Do three. Alright, let's skip. Guys,
is Kurt is admin.
no, I'm not admin, I'm hacker.
Yeah. Hacker. Yeah, I am
Please.
hacker.
Please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad and I wanna help. Okay, here's campfire. There, campfire. Do more fire. Do more campfire.
Do not me.
Do more campfire. Okay. Do until do it until campfire 6.
Hacker
Add
is Baldwin. Yeah. Add script. Oh. Okay. It's like lag.
No, yes, I'm lag.
How? I'm lag.
Go make campfire level 6 or 67. 67. Here's campfire.
Do not search 67.
Why?
What is auto campfire?
Yeah.
Oh crap. Try this.
There's campfire. There's campfire. What?
Yeah. I mean build.
Now I'm gonna save Kraken Kid and Squid Kid. Swish, what?
Sent in the base.
Gold chest!
Hey,
I
it's
found
Kid.
gold chest.
Please,
Hey,
Kid.
why that you
Hey,
use?
Kid. Hey, Kid.
No, use that. That's bad. This is bad hack. Use voidware.
My chest and pen.
Yeah, voidware. Yes, this.
Error ring.
Script. This.
Oh.
Boom. There's your hack. Just press execute.
Spear.
Wait, why not work? Oh, I'm dead. Oh, never mind. I'm not dead. Ruby chest!
Please.
I found ruby chest. Please. Tactical shotgun! What? Oh yeah, guys, we're actually Tagalog.
I'm a Kid, Dino Kid.
I got tactical shotgun. Make campfire level 100.
Hey, what the heck? Okay.
Make campfire.
Bring stuff. What the heck, bro?
Bring.
Hey, the map is map.
Map?
Build map, please.
No, we don't want.
Actually, dear.
Boom!
Shoe, dear. Shoe. I'm in Sakuta.
Yes! We got campfire.
Yes.
Now I'll get missing kid.
Okay.
I'll get koala kid.
Koala Kid.
I'm lagging. Help.
I'm lagging. Where's my...
I'm here. Where's chest? Ruby chest! I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. Thorn body! Gem of the forest. Now we go campfire. Here's that.
Do not leave, please.
Okay, I will leave.
Please do not leave.
Yes, I will leave.
Wait lang.
Don't place. Oh, okay. Place. I'll get this.
I'll get these and crop.
I'll get simple this.
I'm a sure. Okay, I am lag. Okay, I am lag. Oh.
Here's stuff. Where's stuff? No, I'm just
I'm
gonna do
lag.
this. Here's stuff. Boom boom. Boom 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 boom. Boom boom. Boom 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 boom. You mean Boombaya? Boom 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 boom. Boom boom. Ow. Okay, now I'm done. Here.
I am
Okay guys, bye.
exploring the map. Okay.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.